Yeah.
Zap your opponent's flashing lights until they stop flashing. Once you have deactivated your opponent, you will score 10 points. When you are zapped, your pack will deactivate for a few seconds. During this time, you cannot zap any.
Whoa!
It's just a game.
It's just a game. You're gonna hit daddy, okay?
Stay with daddy.
Oh, you stay with daddy. And I'll... Okay. Daddy's going to...
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, anak, look. Mommy. Oh, Michael. Daddy. Michael, look.
Okay, guys.
Help! Michael, help! I'm out of ano. Oh, dali, let's go. We find... Dali! Go! Woo! Michael, help! Here! Help! Here, go! Ah, go! Dali! Go! Who else? There's the red one. Go. Let's hide there. We are team. Come on. Ay! Oh, go, anak. Pinagtulungan na mag-ama. Na mag-anak. There, anak. There. What? Wow! Professional? Michael, how many scores you have? Okay. Ay, come on, run! Woo. Hide there! Right there! What? Okay. There's an enemy! There! Ah! Come on, help me! Oh, Michael, go! Yes! Woo. Help, help, help! What's our plan now? What's our plan? Okay. Game over! You had fun?
Yeah.
You're sweating! You had fun, anak? You had fun, yes or no?
We're going out.
Yes. What?
Well done, guys.
We did it?
Thank you.
Mission,
Well done. Well done.
mission,
Accomplished.
mission accomplished. What's your score, Michael? Stefano. Sorry.
6 times.
Huh?